hello everybody. Thanks for tuning in. Today we're going to be looking at the newest release in the Republic Services Refuse Truck series from First Gear. This one is 1/34 scale. It is the new Peterbilt Model 567 roll-off truck with a 40-yard roll-off container. Now, this is a new tooling from First Gear. It uses the same Galbreath roll-off hoist that we've seen on previous releases of the roll-off truck. But this is the first time that we've seen a roll-off truck offered on a Peterbilt chassis. Previous versions have included Kenworth cab and a couple of generations of the Mack Granite. But this is the first time seeing one with a Peterbilt cab. It's also the first time we're getting a roll-off truck with a 40-yard container. All the previous releases have included a couple different styles of 30-yard roll-off container. So I've got some new features going on here, pretty exciting stuff. I think that's enough chit-chat here. Let's open this thing up and see what's in the box. All right, so there you have it. There is the new Peterbilt Model 567 roll-off truck from First Gear. One last thing that I wanted to show here is just kind of wanted to get out a couple of the older 30-yard roll-off containers, just kind of give a size comparison between this 40-yard container and the other container options that we've had before. And, as you can see, it is quite a bit of a size difference, quite, accurate to real life, just as everything with First Gear, the detail and accuracy is always just spot on. So overall, just a really detailed model. Probably my favorite roll-off truck from First Gear so far. Really big fan of the way that the Peterbilt 567 looks both in real life and in this model, so definitely recommend adding this one to your collection. One last thing here, I also got my hands on one of these new Republic Services building block kind of Lego style sets that's also actually made by First Gear. I don't know if you can see that there. But it's a automated side loader, comes with couple of figures, couple of trash carts. It's got a functioning loading arm. So looking forward to getting this one put together. I'm thinking about maybe doing like a time-lapse video of putting it together or something like that, if that's something you guys be interested in seeing. So drop a comment down below and let me know. Thank you guys for tuning in. Thanks for watching, and be sure to like and subscribe for more trashy content.